For this procedure, you can refer to Section 7.2, 7.3, and 7.4 in the LCMS-8060NX series manual and the Ion Focus instruction manual. You will need the following tools and supplies: an H8 wrench, LCMS grade methanol, water, and isopropanol, a flathead screwdriver, and Kim wipes or lint-free lab wipes. After turning off all gas flows and heaters using Lab Solutions software, allow the unit to cool to room temperature, then remove the LC connection tubing. Unlock and remove the ionization unit. Adjust the projection length of the ESI capillary to less than 0 millimeters to prevent injury to you or the instrument. Loosen the knurled screw using a flathead screwdriver. Lift the ground plate to the upper left direction until the notch is released. Lower the plate and pull it forward for removal. Pull the focused unit towards the left until removed from the socket. Loosen the nut until you can fully remove focus electrode 2 and repeat with focus electrode 1. If this is a DUIS unit, remove the corona needle by loosening it with a screwdriver. Polish the tip of the corona needle using a 4-micron lapping film. Submerge the focus electrodes and ground plate into a beaker with LCMS grade isopropyl alcohol and sonicate for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat using LCMS grade water and then LCMS grade methanol. After sonication is complete, dry each part using a lab wipe. Attach focus electrode 1 by aligning the pin on the focus unit with the notch and turn clockwise until finger tight. Repeat this with electrode 2. Attach the corona needle by making sure the tip enters the notch of focus electrode 1 and screw it in. Ensure that the corona needle is not in contact with the electrode after installation. This can be aligned using the corona needle alignment tool. Align the focus unit so the pin is facing upwards and lines up with the notch within the socket. Then push towards the right until secured. Hold the ground plate by the middle knob and insert the hooks until secured on both pegs. Then tighten the knurled screw clockwise until finger tight. Adjust the ESI spray needle protrusion from 0.5 to 1 millimeter by first making the needle flush with the tip and turning the assembly clockwise. Each 180-degree turn extends the needle by 0.5 millimeters. Add the locking nut to secure the capillary in place. Reattach the clean ionization unit and lock it in place. Reconnect the LC tubing and reinitiate the heaters and gas flows using Lab Solutions software. For more information about Shimadzu mass spectrometers, visit us at www.ssi.shimadzu.com.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.